So it's time to unleash your creativity with AI music. Hello everyone, the future of music is here. Let's generate the perfect track in seconds with SOUNDRAW, an AI music generator that creates premium music tailored to your exact preferences. It's an absolute game changer. In this video, I'll show you how easy it is to create the perfect royalty-free track for your content. Let's dive in. First things first, let's generate some music. Start by selecting your preferences. Set your length, tempo, genre, mood, and theme. Within seconds, SOUNDRAW generates loads of tracks for you to choose from. Browse through the list of beats made specifically for you. All right, let's try how it sounds. Here we go. Isn't it cool? You can share, save, or even download a track right here. Find something that's close but not quite right? Generate more versions based on that specific track by clicking the Create Similar Music icon here. Once you've landed on something you like, you can fine-tune it with a host of customization settings to make it even better. We'll get into that next. Once you've selected your track, you have multiple ways to customize it to make it fit perfectly with your content. Simply click or tap on the track to open the editing panel. From here, you can adjust the intensity of specific sections and effects when the music builds to align with your video content. Looking for more advanced editing? Simply click on Pro mode to reveal a host of additional adjustment settings like length, BPM meaning beats per minute, instruments, key, volume of specific stems, and fade out. It's all here in one simple interface. No technical knowledge required. Once you've put the finishing touches on your masterpiece, it's time to download and export so you can add it to your project. We'll cover that in the next section. Now that you've created your track, it's time to add it to your project. Simply click the download button to save your track and stems to your computer. Now you're ready to roll. And don't worry, the track is royalty-free and fully licensed to use. That means no matter where you use it, it's all good. You're fully covered under the terms of your membership agreement. That's it. You just harness the power of SOUNDRAW to generate a completely custom track. And with your membership, you can keep generating and customizing as much as you like. So now it's time to stop watching tutorials and start generating some fire beats for your next content. Thanks for watching. The team at SOUNDRAW is always here to help. Give us a follow to stay connected with the latest updates and tutorials. Need some additional help? Feel free to reach out at the link below and someone will get back to you as soon as possible. Keep creating. See you next time.